Hey guys, you are welcome back to another video tutorial. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a platform called Bitnob. On this platform, you can make any online transaction. On this platform, you can get a virtual card. On this platform, you can make a local money deposit in your country. For instance, now we're in Nigeria, you can as well do any local deposit in Ghana or in Kenya. So in today's tutorial, you are going to get the links of this platform at the description of this video. Just click on that links. When you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this platform to sign up. And once you have signed up, you are free to go. So on this platform, you can make money. How can you make money on this platform? You can make money by referring your friend. You see, refer and earn. Refer and earn 1,000 statistics share anytime you refer a friend. So meaning that if you are able to refer 10 friends, you are going to make 10,000 statistics share. And what is a statistic? Statistic is just 1,000 1,000 bitcoins. So with 1,000 bitcoins, you are going to get 1 USDD. So now, once you have done this one, you can as well get card on this platform. Your card now is what we are going to be using for online transaction. Eventually, you want to use it for Facebook, you want to use it for WhatsApp, you want to use it for Instagram or Twitter. And how are you going to get your card here? You can get your card here by clicking on this card here. When you click on this card, it's going to come up in this form like this. Just allow it to come up. When it come up like this, it's going to ask you to get the details. You are going to fill the details. You are going to be on that card. Then the card is just $2 is what you can use. Why in other platform you can use as far as $10 or $5 to get that card. But on a Bitnob here, you are going to use just $2 to get this card here. And this card can be used in anywhere in the world. You can use this card to withdraw your funds. You can use this card to transfer from one visual card to another. So once you have done that one now, the next thing now you need to do right now, you can also deposit here. Peradventure, I want to deposit, and before I go further, the purpose of bringing you to this platform and taking you through this platform is that peradventure you don't know how to create a Binance account or a Bybit account. You can as well come to this platform. The moment you come to this platform, you know in the Binance or Bybit or cryptocurrency, you can buy with that USDD here. But here, you can buy with your local currency. For you to buy with your local currency, what you need to do now, you just need first of all need to deposit. You click a deposit here. And when you click a deposit here now, it's going to come up in three fold rather. So the first fold now is going to say fund with your local currency. Is a deposit with local currency, e.g. Naira and cedis. The second one is said fund with Binance Pay. The third one is said USDD, deposit USDD from external wallet using support network. What this one is saying now, peradventure you are having some USDD in your Binance, you are having it in your Bitcoins, you are having it in your Bitget. You can easily come to this platform here. You just click this one. When you click this one, are you going to transfer that money to this platform with TCR20 or Bit20 or with Polygon? Either of these three you can use. So once you have done that one, if you want to do it now, what you just need to do now, you just click here. When you click here right now, it's just going to give you the account you are going to transfer to. This is the wallet address you are going to transfer to. You just need to copy this one. By clicking this one, you have already copied. So you can see that it's copied to the clipper. So that is just how to do this one here. And once you have copied that link now, the next thing now is for you to, to transfer this cryptocurrency. The peradventure you also want to fund through local currency. What you need to do now, you just click here. And by clicking here right now, it's going to come up in this form. I want to believe you are enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, what I will want you to do right now that is not going to cost you any damn, just like this video, then share this video with your friend. And peradventure you are watching this channel for the first time, what I will want you to do right now, that is not going to cost you any damn, just subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so that whenever any new video of this kind is released, you'll be the first person to be notified. So what I'm saying in essence now, peradventure you want to deposit a 50,000 on this platform, or 100,000, or whatever you want to deposit on this platform. I'm using 50,000 or 100,000, whatever as an example. So what you will need to do right now, you just need to click on this one. You click here. When you click here, you just put a 50,000 here. 50,000. This is 50,000. So the equivalent in USD is going to give you $33.99. So once you have done that one, the next thing you need to do right now, you need to come here and click continue. And once you click continue, then it's going to tell you what to do. Now you can see here right now, it's say fetching the payment. Here you are seeing here right now, it say partner account details provided. This is the account you are going to send that money to. You are going to send, the money you are sending here is 50,000 and 6 naira 9 kobo. And you are sending it to this account. You are sending it to this is the name of the bank. This is the account name, while you are the one narration here. So you can see here, see what is writing here. It says, please remember, you should copy and use the text provided as narration and remark for your transaction. Only send money from an account with same name as the one you use to sign up on Bitcoin.